Hello everyone. Today I will show how to make this cool looking posts layout using Elementor Page Builder. So once you hover over the post, the featured images will appear and also the background color will change. You can show blog posts, news section or even custom post types like this. So without further ado, let's get started. So I already have added some posts with some categories. Now let's go to templates and add a new template. Select loop item from the drop-down and the source will be posts. But if you have custom post types, then you can also select the desired post type as well. Then give it a name accordingly and click on Create Template. Click on the Settings option on left bottom and change the preview width to 100%. Now add a container and make it full width and center align the items. Then go to Style and change the background color on hover. Also change the border radius on hover. Now add 4 containers inside this main container. And set the width of each container according to the content. Then add the post info widget in first container and select the categories from it and style it accordingly. Now duplicate this and show the date in the second container. Also add the post title and style it as you like. Then add the featured post image in the last container. And change its opacity to 0 so it will not show by default. Then click on the main container and go to Advanced and Custom CSS. And write this one line of CSS code. So what it does is that when we will hover over to the main container, it will change the opacity of the image to 1. It is that simple. Now let's check the mobile responsiveness as well. So as there is no hover state in mobile screens, we will show the featured image by default on mobile devices. So we will just add a simple media query which will change the opacity of the image to 1 by default for only mobile devices. Let's update it and head over to the page where you would like to show these posts. Search for Loop Grid widget and add it to the desired section and choose the loop item template we just created. Set it to 1 column and select the number of posts you want to show. All the options are available to further tweak the design. Also check how it looks on mobile screens. Let's update the page and check it from the front end. It looks great. One more thing, if you want the whole container to be clickable, then click on Main Container and go to Additional Options. And change the HTML tag to Anchor tag, and in the link option click on Dynamic Icon and select Post URL. Now the whole container will be clickable. So this is how you can make advanced cool-looking layout for your news and blog post sections. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as I will be making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.